Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris and today I'm going to be talking to you about DIY glass jars that you can do yourself and create more decor in your home and give you some ideas of what I do with them and where I put them. The first one I'm going to be doing is my square jar, and I've got Bourbon biscuits. So here's the glass jar. And what I'm gonna do is get some string and I'm just gonna put it round just to make it look really pretty. It's really nice to add accessories sometimes. So there you have my first biscuit jar, which is nice and big and has my favourite biscuits in. So I've just done my Bourbon biscuit cookie jar. So now I'm going to go on to the next one. Party rings. Love them. So what you're going to do is put them around the edge as close together as possible, and then you're going to go in the middle of the rings just like this. So where the rings cross over each other, that's where you're aiming to put your party rings. I love the party rings, they're really bright and colourful and it really goes down well with the children, especially because it's got so many colours in. I always leave the middle hollow, just saves time and money with doing your biscuits. So my party rings are in this one. I love it, it's so colourful. And I'm just gonna finish it off nicely with a spotty ribbon. And I'm gonna put this one into a bow as well. So another little thing I do is store these miniature ones in the sitting room. One, they're amazing for the room design, and two, it's just nice if the girls want something quickly and they can just have some, and it's going to be easy access for them, whereas the two bigger ones obviously are going to need my help as well. It's raspberry and strawberry bonbons, and all you're going to do nice little one. we've got the next one, and what I'm going to put into these ones are something really quick and easy, which are from Asda. They're raspberry and milk flavour. You get quite a fair bit in there. I think they're a bit like the squashies, but in squares. And I think they just make it look really pretty as well. So it's definitely a good idea to do. When everybody comes over, they always ask how I've done it and things like that, and how cute they look, and they always dip their hands in, so they're definitely really, really popular in my house. So it leads me on to my last little jar, which I have in the sitting room. So I've got some chewy sweets, some squidgy sweets, and then the last one I do is just put some nice Oreos in. Everyone has a little bit of a variety if they want a biscuit instead as well. And what I do is I'll then stack the Oreos into here, just so we're keeping with the really nice theme of the jars, and it just gives it that little bit of design element to your house. Might take a little bit more time to do, but it's definitely so worth it, and they really are lovely. So there you have it, my last jar, little jars for the girls and for guests that are coming over. So I'm going to show you where I like to put them and which places that they go in the house and how they look. It's just so that you can find some inspiration maybe for your home, that you feel, oh, I want a little bit of a difference, and you want people to talk about what they like in your home. These are a really good hit in my home, and they really are a great feature for me and my family, and also my friends that come over. Video. If you do, it would be really nice if you could subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up.